Hi guys! So in this video, I'll teach you how to fix Instagram page not available. So we currently have 3 solutions to this problem, so just listen to me and I will guide you through all of them. So the first solution involves clearing the Instagram cache and storage. So to do that, we need to head over to our settings. And then from here, just scroll down until you can see the apps right here. So let's click on that. And once you're in there, click on app management and then scroll until you can see the Instagram app. So here it is. So once you're in there, you can see this storage usage. So let's click on that and then click on clear cache and click on clear data as well. So let's click on it. And as you can see, we have now cleared the Instagram cache and storage. You can now proceed to log into your Instagram again in order to check if your problem has been solved. However, if your problem hasn't been solved, then what you can do is to head over to Play Store and then search for Instagram right here. And make sure that your app is on the updated version. So if you see an update button right here, which is like this, just click on that and wait for it to update itself until you can see an open option. However, if that still doesn't work for you, what you can do is to just download an old version of Instagram. So you can do so by heading over to your Google Chrome and typing in this link, which is this bit.ly 3G3EZ2L. So after you've done that, just click on that and it will redirect you to this page right here, and you can download the Instagram version 2.51. And then as you can see, I've already downloaded mine. So let's head over to our downloads. Here it is. What I need to do next is to just install it. So let's click it and then let's wait for it to install. And then after that, click on update. And then after that, I should be able to solve this problem and I can now fix the Instagram page not available. So that's the whole process. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.